fresh milk begins its journey toward Yoplait yogurt perfection. Every drop moves through a controlled and sterile path. The system ensures optimal flow and quality. From pipe to tank, the process is seamless. Precision cooling preserves the milk's natural quality. Filtration ensures purity before the next step begins. Carefully handled milk is prepared for its journey. Every batch is tested before leaving the farm.
The journey to transformation begins on the open road.
From farm to factory, freshness is preserved at every mile. The heart of production comes into view. Inside begins the transformation into Yoplait yogurt. Keep it coming back, straight and steady.
A little more to the left, align with the yellow line. Perfect stop, right there. I'll connect the hose.
Precision positioning ensures a seamless transfer. Every connection is sealed for purity and safety. The raw ingredient enters the controlled factory system. Every liter is tracked with absolute precision. Another layer of filtration refines the raw input. Bulk storage prepares the milk for large-scale processing. Controlled temperatures preserve freshness at every stage. Controlled temperatures preserve freshness at every stage. Final checks prepare the milk for processing. A worker initiates the transfer. Milk flows steadily into the processing tank. The system is ready for the next stage. Now begins the transformation into Yoplait yogurt. A modern facility where precision meets scale. Every entry begins with strict control and discipline. Hygiene is the first rule inside the facility.
Sanitizing now.
Ready for entry.
Gloves are good? Clean? Yes, supervisor. Mask is secure? No gaps? Confirmed. Hard hat fits properly? Second worker, gloves are clean? Yes. All clear? To the doors.
Controlled airflow protects product purity. Inside, every system operates in perfect sync. The lifeline of production flows above. The system awakens, ready for production. Every process is monitored in real time. The journey continues into purification and preparation. Cleaning begins with powerful separation. Precision spinning refines the milk's composition. Only the purest milk moves forward. Consistency is engineered at every level. Automated systems precisely control cream blending ratios. Workers verify the digital readings to ensure quality. Temperature prepares the milk for safety and stability. Heat treatment ensures every drop is safe. Temperature holding steady at 72 degrees. Precision timing locks in safety and quality.
Time complete. Diverting to cooling.
Cooling preserves freshness after heat treatment. Milk rapidly cooled through chilled plates, condensation forming on metal surfaces, temperature dropping instantly. Cooled milk flows into holding tanks. Clean and balanced milk awaits transformation. Now the true transformation into Yoplait yogurt begins. The transformation begins inside controlled vessels. Cultures activate the process that creates yogurt. Even mixing ensures perfect consistency. Temperature guides the transformation with precision. Time shapes the signature texture of yogurt. Balance is measured down to the smallest detail. The transformation from milk is complete. The base yogurt moves to its next stage. Preparation begins for flavor creation. Now the flavor of Yoplait yogurt comes to life. Real fruit becomes the heart of flavor. Each flavor is prepared with precision. Gentle stirring keeps the consistency smooth. A valve opens, directing puree into the blending pipeline. Flavor and texture combine into one smooth product. Homogenization creates the signature silky finish. Texture is refined to perfection. Every flavor note is carefully balanced. The digital controls ensure precise ratios. Supervising workers monitor the final blend, delivering consistent quality. Air is removed for a perfect creamy body. Cooling locks in flavor and structure. The finished blend is ready for packaging. The final product moves toward its packaging form. Automation begins with perfect alignment. Every movement is measured and controlled. Automation begins with perfect alignment. Accuracy ensures consistency in every cup. Each cup is sealed for freshness. Heat locks in flavor and safety. Every cup is traceable from start to finish. High-speed cameras scan each cup for defects. Workers monitor the process on screens. Approved cups move forward. Defective ones are diverted. Technology ensures flawless quality. Only the best move forward. Individual cups prepare to become final packaged products. Individual cups unite into ready-to-sell packs. Packaging begins to take its final form. Heat seals the packs with precision. Every label is checked for perfection. Cameras scan packaging labels for accuracy. Digital screens confirm branding. Verified packs move toward boxing. Packaging expands to protect the product. Packs are secured for transport. Sealing ensures safety during delivery. Every package meets strict weight standards. Human oversight ensures flawless output. Final verification ensures perfection before release. Every batch enters strict quality control. Samples are taken for detailed inspection. Texture reveals the quality within. Acidity is measured with precision. Safety is verified at a microscopic level. Stability ensures freshness over time. Seals are tested to protect every cup. Flavor is confirmed by expert taste. Only approved batches move ahead. The finished product is cleared for distribution.
Finished cartons are organized for storage and transport. Initiating the wrap cycle.
The wrapping machine applies a tight plastic seal, protecting the pallet during handling and transport.
Seal looks good, ready for shipping.
Storage maintains freshness before delivery. Every pallet is stored with precision and care. Every pallet is stored with precision and care. Orders are prepared for delivery across regions. Workers retrieve specific pallets based on orders. Barcodes are scanned to verify product details. The final step before distribution begins. Products are secured for safe transport.
And this is how modern factories produce Yoplait yogurt from start to finish.
A seamless system delivering quality every day.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.